Hi there, I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at Ray White Kingsland, and welcome to this cracker of an opportunity here at 57 Mead Street in Avondale. This well-loved family home is finally opening its doors to the next adventure after a lifetime of memories. Our vendors will sadly wave goodbye, but welcome with open arms the next family to bring this wonderful prospect back to its best. The home definitely needs a breath of fresh air, but you're starting off with a great base to work from. It has 4 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, sitting on a large 650 square metres of flat Avondale turf, just waiting for a beautiful renovation or development. Sturdy and solid, the paintbrushes will be out once the experts have had their say, and you are superbly located in the very heart of Avondale. You won't have to wander far for your morning flat white, with cafes and eateries all nearby. Just a short stroll to bus stops, schools, local parks or buzzing markets, and with convenient motorway access to the city and airport, you are close to all the action. Opportunities like this to add value don't come up that often. Make sure you come along and don't miss out. We look forward to seeing you here on the weekend.